Drinking milk with a banana is a popular combination, especially among athletes and fitness enthusiasts. Here are 8 reasons why this duo is beneficial. 1. Rich source of energy. Bananas are packed with natural sugars, glucose, fructose, and sucrose, while milk provides protein and healthy fats, making this combo an excellent energy booster. 2. Promotes muscle growth. Milk is a great source of protein, which aids muscle repair and growth. Bananas provide potassium, which helps prevent muscle cramps and improves muscle function. 3. Aids in digestion. Bananas contain dietary fiber, which promotes healthy digestion. Milk adds probiotics if fermented, which further supports gut health. 4. Boosts bone health. Milk is high in calcium and vitamin D, which are essential for strong bones. Bananas contain prebiotics that enhance calcium absorption. 5. Great post-workout recovery drink. The combination of carbohydrates from bananas and protein from milk helps replenish glycogen stores and repair muscles after exercise. 6. Supports weight gain in a healthy way. For those looking to gain weight, a banana milkshake provides healthy calories, carbs, and proteins, making it an ideal meal replacement or snack. 7. Improves mood and reduces stress. Bananas contain tryptophan, which helps produce serotonin, the feel-good hormone. Milk has vitamin B12, which also supports brain function and mood regulation. 8. Enhances immunity. Milk contains essential vitamins and minerals like vitamin A, zinc, and protein, which boost immunity. Bananas provide antioxidants that help fight free radicals. This combination is nutritious, easy to prepare, and a delicious way to fuel your body. Do you prefer it as a smoothie or just eating a banana with a glass of milk?